Hi boys and girls, this is lesson 28 problem set, and I'm going to be reading you the directions. The directions say, these squares represent cube sticks. Look at the linking cube sticks. Draw a line from the cube stick to the number that matches. Fill in the number bond if it is not complete. So you're going to be connecting the cube stick trains over here to a number bond. So if you look at this dot, you're going to figure out which one of these four number bonds does this stick match. So then you're going to draw a line from this dot to the matching number bond. Also, if you'll notice, these are missing numbers. Before you go to the next page, you need to figure out what number goes in this missing circle. For this page, you're going to be drawing cube sticks or circles if squares are too difficult for you to draw quickly. You are going to be drawing a picture that matches the number bond. Be sure to use two different colors to make it easier for your teacher to see what you've done. Down here it says, create your own 10 cube stick and fill in the number bond to match. So you get to design your own number bond. Have fun!